Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to hide relationship status on your Facebook. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to hide relationship status on your Facebook, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to log in your Facebook account. After that, in top right side corner you will find profile icon. Tap on that and select your account. After that, here you will find about option. Click on that. Scroll down. In this you will find family and relationships. Click on that. Here you will find your relationship. Just click on this globe icon and select as only me. Then click on save. That's it guys. So in this way you can hide relationship status on your Facebook. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.